We're doing daredevil stunts.
Woo!
See that log right there? We're gonna walk across it. And it's raining. It's all slippery.
And that log's, check it out, the log is cracked. What?
Ready? Videotape me.
Wait.
It's hard to climb it. I'm walking across.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Don't.
Fall.
I hate.
Oh God.
Fall.
That's for today. That was beast.